Let me show you how to do the best spicy grilled chicken recipe you'll ever try. So I've got this nice chicken leg and thigh here, some salt and some pepper on both sides. And then we're gonna go ahead and start grilling that on the low heat side of our grill. Get one whole red chili, add that in here. To this I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger. I'm gonna thinly slice that as well. This is where you build all that flavor. Red onion, a little bit of turmeric, change color, and then finally some galangal, just because I think it's going to give us a great balance of flavor. So now we can start kind of just mashing everything together until it becomes a nice paste. We're just going to add 4 cloves of garlic right in there, pound those also. Finally, some black pepper, some of my muscuvado sugar, and then my shrimp paste. This is really important because this is where most of the saltiness will come from. So you really want to work this into a nice colorful paste. Then we're going to take a little bit of my coconut milk here, and then just mix all that together. And then we're gonna fry everything in some oil. Go ahead and turn around our chicken, take a little bit of our sauce, and then start placing that on top of the chicken. And now that one side is more or less cooked, you can go ahead and move the chicken to a hotter part of the grill. Last flip. Add in my last piece of paste here. I use a mix of Japanese and sticky rice so that I can actually make a patty out of it. And what I like to do is before that chicken is done cooking, make a nice form like this and then just quickly grill it so that I get some of that flavor and some of that smoke from the grill as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and flip our rice onto the other side. We just want those grill marks. Then we're gonna cut up all the other ingredients that we're gonna serve the chicken with. Slice up some tomatoes, as well as part of my cucumber. Grab that rice, place that right here in the middle. I'm gonna take my lime and I just wanna juice the lime top of the rice so that the rice is really just beautifully fragrant and it'll absorb all that flavor. To which I'm gonna add a little bit of my coconut milk as well, just on top like this. Take our cooked chicken, place that right on top here, and then we're just gonna place around our tomatoes and our cucumber. So this will really just give us kind of a nice bite of freshness while everything's really intense and spicy. So definitely not the traditional way of doing it, but this is how I do my version of an ayam bakar taliwang.